Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Night News. I'm your host, Tony Lee, and today I want to go over a couple of things within the crypto space. But before I begin, I have to say this: I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do should not be considered financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please, please, please do your own research. Now, with that being said, let's get into this story. So, it says decoupling crypto in deep red despite Wall Street's relief rally. It says the cryptocurrency market has remained largely uncorrelated with Wall Street over the past few days, trading in the red with little to no signs of a relief. So, I don't know if you all remember the last few episodes where I've mentioned how crypto and the stock market are connected somehow. Now, back in, I want to say 2017, when I very first heard of cryptocurrency, uh, they weren't connected. The stock market could be doing horribly, and I mean horribly, and Bitcoin could be rising up. There was no correlation, and with Bitcoin rising up, altcoins tend to rise up as well. And like I said, when Bitcoin is doing horribly, the stock market could be rising up. But I want to say within a little over a year now, for some reason, the stock market and the crypto market are connected. Don't know how, don't know why, but they're connected. So, as you all know, everything going on in the world right now, so far as with the war, so far as with what else? Inflation. So far as with the interest rates, just everything going on in the world right now. The stock market is taking a hit. I think a lot of things are down right now because, like I said, nobody knows what's gonna happen next. So everything's been down, but for some reason, the crypto market is still down. Yet Wall Street is starting to see some relief. So I don't I don't know why that is because like I said, for a little over a year now they've been connected. And which if that's the case, then in theory, if Wall Street is down in the future, crypto necessarily doesn't have to stay down. It can go up. So, we'll see. So it says the past few days saw a considerable disparity between the cryptocurrency market and traditional stocks. Unlike Wall Street, though, crypto remains deep in red without a sign of relief. So I hear a lot of people saying that crypto is a much riskier asset compared to other assets. Um, so we've seen, I guess, since November, a lot of money leave the market. And like I said, inflation, interest rate hikes. And speaking of interest rate hikes, heard we're supposed to see another one. We're going to talk about that in the future episodes. But I heard we're supposed to see an interest rate hike. I know in June, but I heard we're supposed to see another one in July. So, like I said, the market could be reacting to that right now. That could be because, like I said, we're in May. We're almost in June. So, we're about to see the first interest rate hike. So, but like I said, when it happens, excuse me, we're definitely gonna talk about it on the episode. But yeah, it says so. Bitcoin struggles at 29,000. At the time of this writing, Bitcoin's price is charting roughly at 1%, a 1% decrease, excuse me, in the past 24 hours and continues struggling around 29,000. Interestingly enough, this happens during days of an evident relief rally for Wall Street, as major indices are well in the green following the previous declines. So, as seen in the chart above, Bitcoin is highly uncorrelated to the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, all of which managed to find some relief after the considerable slumps of, earlier this month. This is even more highlighted with altcoins, which chart more considerable declines. So as you can see, Bitcoin is down in the red. And like I say, usually the altcoins, it's crazy. crypto follows the stock market, but then the altcoins follow Bitcoin. So I'm also hearing in the near future that eventually the altcoins, well, a lot of them, well, I even say a lot, I'll say some of them could eventually separate from Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin takes that plunge, and if Bitcoin usually takes a plunge, pretty much all the altcoins take a plunge. What could wind up happening in the future, when Bitcoin takes that plunge, altcoins could still stay exactly where they are, or they could rise in value. So, like I said, we'll just have to keep an eye out for that and wait and see what happens. All right, so let's go to the cryptocurrency chart and see where Bitcoin is at now. Excuse me, not only Bitcoin, but the top 10 coins. All right, so at the time of this recording, Bitcoin's number one at 28,861, Ethereum number two at 1,768, Tether number three at 99 cent, USD coin at number four, $1, BNB coin number five at $305. Wow. XRP at 38 cent for number six, Binance USD coin at number seven for $1, Cardano at number 8 for 46 cents, Solana at number 9 for $42, and Dogecoin at number 10 for 8 cents. So Bitcoin has risen up a little bit, so I guess it went down some, wow, since then. So it's risen up by like 0.28% within the past 24 hours. So that's good. And what else? What's risen the most out of the top 10? Solano has risen the most. Wow. By 2.17% within the past 24 hours. So that's really good. And let's see, I guess one more. Ethereum raised by 0.84% within the last 24 hours. So we're still in the red. We still have a long ways to go, but yeah, we still have a good little ways to go. But like I said, when things start to calm down, then we'll be able to truly see what the market is and see it for like what it's worth. Um, like I said, when things start to calm down, so far as like with the war, and when things start to calm down, so far as with inflation, and when people get used to these interest rates that we're about to feel, we're already starting to feel some of them, but when people like when they eventually stop, then we'll be able to see what the market is and how people are really feeling. Okay, well, that was today's episode of Crypto Night News. Once again, I am your host, Tony Lee. If you found anything of interest that you heard today, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave me a comment and let me know how long do you think we're going to be in the red so far as within the crypto market and within the crypto space? And when do you all see um, us eventually moving back up? All right. Until next time.